Good day, everyone. So for today, we're gonna be discussing about the Republic Act number 9282, or the Customs Brokers Act of 2004. Republic Act number 9280, or the Customs Broker Act of 2004, is a Philippine law enacted to regulate and modernize the practice of customs brokerage in the country. It aims to professionalize the industry by establishing clear qualifications, ethical standards, and responsibilities for customs brokers. The law provides guidelines for licensing, examination, and registration under the supervision of the Professional Regulation Commission. Here are some of the superficial topics that are being provided in this act. Qualifications to become a customs broker. To be a customs broker, they must be a citizen of the Philippines or a foreign country qualified to take the examination, if applicable. Second, has good moral character and not have been convicted of a crime involving moral turpitude. Complete a Bachelor of Science in Customs Administration from a recognized college or university, and passing the Customs Broker Licensure Examination. Scope of the practice of a customs broker involves services consisting of consultation, preparation of customs requisite documents for import and exports, declaration of customs duties and taxes, preparation, signing, filing, lodging, and processing of import and export entries. Represent importers and exporters before any government agency and private entities in cases related to valuation and classification of imported articles and rendering of other professional services in matter relating to customs and tariff laws and its procedures and practices. Third, render other professional services related to customs and tariff laws, procedures, and its practices. Rights and responsibilities of a customs broker. A customs broker shall likewise be responsible for the accuracy of the goods declaration, but shall not be responsible for the payment of duties, taxes, and other charges due on the imported goods. A customs broker shall keep and maintain in correct, orderly, and itemized manner the complete records and file copies of all his correspondences and other records relative to the conduct of his or her profession as provided in the existing rules and regulation of this act. A customs broker shall not suggest to a client or a prospective client any scheme or plan known to be illegal or irregular designed to purposely evade of any duties, taxes, and other charges or any obligation due to the government. And that's all for this day. Thank you for watching.